Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of disruptive innovation, the kind of stuff that gets my blood pumping like a bull on Wall Street. We're talking about Cathie Wood, the visionary investor who's not afraid to bet big on the future. This woman, let me tell you, she's got a nose for game changers, the kind of companies that are going to reshape entire industries. Cathie Wood, the head honcho over at RK Invest, has been on a tear lately, scooping up some seriously intriguing stocks. Now you know I love a good bargain, and Cathie, well, she smells opportunity like a shark smells blood in the water. She's been loading up on companies that are poised for explosive growth, companies that are riding the wave of technological disruption. So, buckle up, because we're about to break down Cathie Wood's latest stock picks. We're talking about UiPath, Exact Sciences, and Robinhood. Three companies that are at the forefront of their respective industries. We're going to dissect their business models, analyze their growth prospects, and most importantly, figure out if they're worth adding to your portfolio. First up, we've got UiPath, a company that's taking the world of automation by storm. Now I'm talking about robotic process automation, or RPA, the kind of technology that's going to revolutionize the way businesses operate. Think of it like this. UiPath is creating a digital workforce, software robots that can handle all those tedious, repetitive tasks that bog us humans down. UiPath is all about efficiency, folks. They're helping businesses streamline their operations, cut costs, and boost productivity. We're talking about automating everything from data entry and invoice processing to customer service and IT support. And let me tell you, the demand for this kind of technology is exploding. Cathie Wood knows a megatrend when she sees one. And she's betting big on UiPath to lead the charge in the RPA revolution. And frankly, I can't say I blame her. UiPath is the undisputed leader in this space, with a market share that's larger than all of its competitors combined. But here's the thing I really love about UiPath. They're not just sitting back and resting on their laurels. They're constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with automation. They're investing heavily in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, to create even more sophisticated software robots that can learn and adapt on the fly. So what does this all mean for investors? Well, to put it simply, UiPath is a company with a massive runway for growth. They're tapping into a multi-billion-dollar market that's only going to get bigger in the years to come. Cathie Wood knows this, and that's why she's been gobbling up shares of UiPath hand over fist. Now let's move on to Exact Sciences, a company that's on a mission to eradicate colon cancer. That's right, you heard me correctly. Exact Sciences is developing cutting-edge diagnostic tools that can detect colon cancer at its earliest stages when it's most treatable. We're talking about life-saving technology here, folks, and Cathie Wood knows it. She's been a long-time believer in Exact Sciences, and she's been adding to her position in recent months as the company continues to execute on its growth strategy. Exact Sciences is best known for its Cologuard test, a non-invasive at-home screening tool that's revolutionizing the way we detect colon cancer. Now I know what you're thinking, Jim. Colonoscopies are the gold standard. Why do we need another test? Well, let me tell you, Cologuard is a game changer for a couple of reasons. First, it's way more convenient than a colonoscopy. No need to take a day off work, no need for anesthesia, no need for any of that unpleasant prep work. You just do the test in the comfort of your own home and send it back to Exact Sciences for analysis. Second, Cologuard is reaching a whole new segment of the population, people who might not otherwise get screened for colon cancer. We're talking about people who are afraid of colonoscopies, people who don't have the time or resources to take a day off work, and people who just plain don't want to go through the hassle. And the best part is, Cologuard is incredibly accurate. It's been shown to detect over 90% of colon cancers, which is right up there with colonoscopy. So, not only is Cologuard more convenient, it's just as effective at detecting cancer. That's a win-win in my book. Chapter 3. Robinhood, Democratizing Finance for All. Last but not least, we've got Robinhood, the company that's putting the power of investing back in the hands of the people. Now, I've been trading stocks for over 40 years, and let me tell you, the financial industry has always been a rigged game. The big Wall Street firms, they've got all the advantages. They've got the high-priced analysts, the sophisticated trading algorithms, and the inside information. But then along came Robinhood, and they said, enough is enough. They created a platform that's simple, transparent, and accessible to everyone. No more exorbitant trading fees, no more confusing jargon, no more barriers to entry. Robinhood has democratized finance, and they've done it with a vengeance. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, isn't Robinhood just for millennials who are day trading meme stocks? And while it's true that Robinhood has been incredibly popular with younger investors, their platform is for everyone. They've got something for everyone, from seasoned pros to first-time investors. Robinhood is more than just a trading app. They're building a financial ecosystem, a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. They've got checking and savings accounts, they've got cryptocurrency trading, and they're even getting into the lending business. Robinhood is on a mission to disrupt the entire financial industry, and I, for one, am here for it. So, there you have it, folks. Cathie Wood's latest stock picks: UiPath, Exact Sciences, and Robinhood. 3 companies that are at the forefront of innovation, 3 companies that are changing the world as we know it. Cathie Wood, she's not afraid to swing for the fences, and she's not afraid to bet on companies that are disrupting the status quo. Now, I'm not saying you should run out and buy these stocks tomorrow. You've got to do your own research, folks. You've got to understand the risks involved, but one thing's for sure, Cathie Wood is onto something. She's identified 3 companies that have the potential to generate massive returns for investors who are willing to hold on for the long haul. So keep an eye on these companies, folks. They're the future of their respective industries, and they're just getting started. And if Cathie Wood's track record is any indication, these stocks are going to be explosive.